Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to me. So in this video, I will tell about Dart as a language of. I will tell you about Dart. So what is Dart? Dart is a client-optimized language for developing fast apps on any platform. Its goal is to offer the most productive programming language for multi-platform development, paired with a flexible execution routine platform for app frameworks. So if we telling about Dart, they are related with Flutter. Now, so what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source framework for building beautiful, natively compiled, multi-platform applications from a single codebase. So the Flutter is the framework and the language is Dart. So the Dart language is type safe. It uses static type changing to ensure that a variable's value always matches the variable's static type. Now, this is, for example, there are a void main and the variable here, final name, and for running or debug here, we just need void main. So the output is what the variables on the void main. Dart has the libraries. Here they are a built-in types collection and other core functionality for every Dart program, or we can say Dart core, and they are Dart collection, Dart convert, this is for JSON, and Dart math, and for future and stream, this is a Dart async, and then Dart type data, Dart IO, Dart v, and Dart JS, and package web. And in beyond the core libraries, many APIs are provided through a comprehensive set of packages like characters, INTL, HTTP, crypto, markdown. Now we go to the tools, and the tools is SDK. So if you aren't sure which tools, you need get the Flutter SDK here. Now this is note, the Flutter SDK includes the full Dart SDK. Now in here in Dart web here, they have Dartpad, and Dartpad is a great no download required by way to learn Dart syntax and to experiment with Dart language features. So you can just click here, just click Dartpad online editor, so there will be open like this. And in this video I will explain the Dart language in Visual Studio Code. Okay, maybe they're enough for introduction Dart. Now we go to here I have a Visual Studio Code project and how to use the Dart. So here I have made the files. This is for the lesson in the Dart, and to see the result we just need go to debug console here and we click the start debugging here or running, and the result will be apa sih? Oh, and the output in the type debug console. So first, there's the name is anonymous. So here we have void main. We really need this one. This is for calling and for running the Dart. If we don't click, if we don't have the void main here, we cannot see the result on the outputs of the Dart language. So here there are void main, and then there's a const, and the name of const, the name is menu, and the field is string type. There nasi padang, nasi goreng, nasi kuning, nasi ayam, and then after that we just click here, type here the name of const, and then and this is the formula code we use for each here, and then we just make the name of the formula here, the formula of anonymous. And this is the name. We can fill with any string name, and here I use the makan, and so this is all of the formula of anonymous. So for calling, for see the output after running and debugging the Dart, we just need print, and this is the name of the formula name here. So after we write the print and makan here, we can see the result. We just run here, and the debugging starting connecting, and this is the output. So there will out all of them, like nasi padang, nasi goreng, nasi kuning, and nasi ayam. This is for anonymous. We just need name const, and then for each, and then we just made the name of for each, and this call anonymous. And then we go to arrow function. As the name arrow, we need the arrow to complete this code. Now here, like always, I have void main. So I just want to say, in the one file, we just can use just one void main. We cannot do the duplicate void main in one file. There will be has error, so we just need one void main. So here we make the var or variable, and the code is var, and this is the name of var is the total. And then because this is about the total or number, so we use the int here, int or integer, for any number. So this is total, and then here integer, odd, and integer even. And then the arrow, this odd plus even, and plus the mean of plus here. Use a function declaration rather than a variable assignment to bind a function to a name. So this means and or to the output will be out two of them. And then for calling for the result, we just need print again, and here we need print and total of the name var here, and for the number we just up to us. If you want one plus here, is the mean plus, like always we do in the math. So 1 plus 100, 1000. So we just made the formula code here, but of the number we just up to us, we want to use any numbers, and we just write 1 and 1000 like this, but the result, like we made in the formula code, is the plus. So it's the same thing like 1 plus 1000. So the result is 1 and 1001, like that. And then we go to closer. In closer we make the function and the name function. First we make the function here. Now the function class is a supertype of all function types and contains no values itself. All objects that implement function have a function type as their routine type. So here the name of function, and here we use var again, and this name of var, and the type is integer because this is a number and no qt. Here is the code, is the formula code for we use a plus here, and then return name variable. And then for the outputs we need void main again, and in void main we make the variable and name variable. This variable just different with the variable above, and we need the function name here, and after this we need print for the print the result. Print name variable here, and like this the formula. And this is there 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Just we will see what the result running and debugging. 11 12 13 14 until 20. Why like this? Because we start the number from 10, and then the formula code is plus plus, so we will add plus plus, it means plus 1. We will add 1 for every type here. So because I write a 10 hasil, so the first is 10 plus 1, this is 11, and because I write hasil, so the total hasil in this print, so 11 plus 1 is 12, and then here 12 plus 1 is 13, and until the 20. This is the name is closer. We need the function class and variable, and don't forget to return, and the formula code here is very important, and this is for calling we use void main and print for 1 and 1 like this. Maybe enough. That's all from me about the Dart material and introduction. Hope you understand, and I'm sorry for any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.